to the.g.life. So today I'm doing a bathroom organization video, and yeah, I'm looking at everything. It looks really messy and I don't really know where I'm starting. I'm also being really quiet because the baby is asleep right next door from me and I don't want to wake him up. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys have seen any of my clean with me videos, you guys have seen my bathroom cabinet. So basically this is like a fake drawer, and then this is mess number one. So this is kind of like mine, so I need to organize everything because everything's kind of like thrown in there. And then on this side, again, a fake drawer. And then this is kind of like Michael's stuff, but Michael doesn't use a lot of stuff in here, so it's kind of like his stuff and some cleaning stuff all mixed in here. And then these drawers, so this one actually has all of the baby's towels. I'm probably going to keep these here. And then this drawer has all of our extras, but again, it's kind of like all over the place. And this one, it's basically empty. These are just tissue papers that we need to use up, and then that's pretty much it. This drawer is going to stay empty. And then this drawer is kind of like just extra stuff like tweezers and flaws and, you know, my makeup removing stuff and whatnot, bobby pins, all that is right here. And then I also have this cabinet where I keep all of our towels. And in here, sorry about the trash, I have all of our extra toilet paper, which probably will stay here. And then down here I have like all of my nail stuff, so like my nail polishes, my nail remover, and then like my cuticle stuff right there. And then this drawer right here just has, I don't want to open it because it makes a lot of noise, but I basically have makeup removing wipes, and those flushable wipes are in here. stuff that we're no longer using or things that actually don't even belong here and need to be put in their right places. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this one. All right, so as you guys saw, I ended up adding this shelf right here. This shelf was actually in the other cabinet. There was two stacked on top of each other, and I don't know, for whatever reason, I never realized it was there. So this one right here, it's actually just pull-out drawers. They're really cool. This is stuff that I don't reach for all of the time, so it's kind of hard to take out, but I mean, it's totally doable. So all this right here is basically like my hairspray, perfumes, dry shampoo, baby shampoo, my pink sote that I don't use all of the time. And then up here, I have all of my hot tools. And then I can easily reach for my straightener right here, which is what I use for the most part. And then this one right here, I actually made myself this little cubby. You guys saw that I actually moved it. And this is things that I use every single day. When I wash my face, put my lotion on, my deodorant, all of that is right here. And then down here in this one, I have all of my face towels and then my hair towel whenever I wash my hair. And then I still have a lot of room, like this still goes back a lot, so I still have a lot of room, and then this empty space right here. And then this right here is basically all of my makeup. So you guys saw that I actually took out a lot of my makeup from my other makeup bag and put it all in, put all the stuff that I actually use in here, and the stuff that I don't use so much, I'm just gonna put it back where all of my other makeup is. So this is basically like everyday things, and it's a lot, I know, but it's actually just multiples of things. So I have options. So I not every day do I have to wear like the pink one or the peach one or whatever. I have options. And then this little thing right here just has like a beauty blender that actually needs to be washed. So let me take that out. And then I have another curling wand and like a little perfume right here. And then this one just has all of my makeup brushes right here. And I'm not setting it up because it actually doesn't fit. So yeah. And then, and just like the other side, I have so much room still, you know? So it's not like super cramped in there. And yeah, I actually fit more things in here than I had before. So that's good. So that's what that looks like. Now moving on to the shelves, I basically left this one exactly the same. This one I kind of just organized everything. I didn't move too much stuff from here. So all of our toothpaste and all of our toothbrushes here, all of my hair things like my scrunchies, bobby pins is here. I have some extra chapsticks right here, contacts, some trash bags, some Q-tips, and then this big old bag of cotton balls. This drawer stays the same, just all of the tissue paper, and whenever we run out of this stuff, that's pretty much it. I'm probably not going to be buying more tissue paper. So on this container, I basically just cleaned it up. You guys saw that it was jam-packed with things that I don't use all the time. There was medicine in here and contacts and, you know, things that don't belong in here. So I left all of our floss here, all of our little tools, our nail clippers, tweezers, sharpener is all here. This is all chapstick, and then these poop bags, and then my scrunchies, and then in here, it's actually a Q-tip thingy, and then I just put all of my bobby pins in there so they're not like running all over the place. And then some chargers. I have some coconut oil that I put on my stomach, and then some nipple cream and some tape and my nose port thingies. And yeah, that's what this one looks like. And then this very last one is basically Michael's side, but he doesn't use a lot of stuff, so it doesn't really have a lot. So on this side, I just put all of our cleaning supplies, so our hand soap, and then some toilet cleaner. On this little one, I put all of the towels I use for the bathroom. The towels for the bathroom, I only use them in the bathroom, so I just keep them in here. Some gloves. Here I have a scale, and this thing for my knees for when I'm taking the baby a bath. And then up here I have another cubby, and I'll show you what that has. And then back there, this bag is Michael's clippers for his beard. And then this right here is basically what Michael uses. So I have his body wash for whenever he runs out of it. I have some powder for him, some deodorants, and then his razors. And then I know he doesn't want me to toss this, so I just fit it in here perfectly. And that's pretty much it. And then the white cabinet that you guys saw at the beginning of the video, I actually did nothing to it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. But I am putting all of my female products in that cabinet because there's still a lot of room in there. Plus, it's closer to the toilet, so you guys know, easier access. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It looks a lot better. I feel better. I've been having it in my mind to do this for the longest time, and I just haven't done it, but I'm glad I finally just sat down and just did it because it literally took me maybe 20-30 minutes, and it only took me longer because I was like coming out in and out of the bathroom, but obviously this video is edited so you guys didn't see that. But anyways, I'm rambling, sorry. Alright, so this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I hope that you'll subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!